can work with a remote control. That means that he can raise or lower the volume, can turn lights on or off. He can also change the audio channel to a non-sync or a different channel. What he can do with the projector is turn the lamp on and off, the dowser, open it or close it, or change the video channel. You can also move the masking to flat or scope. And with the server, he can pause it, he can play a movie, he can change the playlist that it's running, he can forward it, rewind it, and even control the HVAC within the same software, depending on if it's connected to our service or not. In case there's no guest inside the room, they can mark it as a no guest, and the projector light will go off, lights will go on, and it will change the audio to non-sync.